Welcome to Strategic Management course. This video discusses financial and marketing functional plans and policies. Financial plans and policies. Financial policies and plans are concerned with raising, usage, and management of funds for business operations. The three aspects are interrelated and interdependent. Policies and plans are formulated to ensure that strategies are implemented effectively. So let us look at each of these three separately. Sources of funds. Policies and plans concerning the sources of funds determine how and from where funds will be raised for strategy implementation. Funds are needed for both long-term and short-term. There are two broad sources of funds, equity and debts. Equity shares, preference shares, and retained earnings provide equity funds. Debentures and borrowings are sources of debts. Policies and plans concerning sources of funds relate to capital structure, procurement of funds, and relationship with the leader. Second aspect is the usage of funds. Judicious use of funds is necessary for strategy implementation. A company can distribute funds between fixed assets and current assets depending on its needs. Investment in fixed assets may be A, to obtain new fixed asset for expansion and growth, and B, to substitute the existing fixed assets. Investment in fixed assets has long-term implications because these assets creates benefit over a long period. These benefits or returns must be more than the cost of capital. The third aspect is the management of funds. Sound management of funds plays a significant role in strategy implementation through conservation and optimum utilization of funds. In the management of funds, policies and plans are developed for accounting and budgeting, credit and risk management, cost reduction and control, tax planning, etc. Cost control helps to improve a company's financial health. Now let us look at marketing functional plans and policies. Marketing plans and policies are concerned with obtaining good response from the target market. It includes everything that a firm can do for enhancing the demand. The marketing mix is the set of marketing variables that are used for the purpose of managing demand from the target market. These variables are known as 4 Ps. The 4 Ps stand for product, price, place, and promotion. Let us look at each of them little briefly. Products. Products stands for goods or services or both which the company offers in the market. Strategies are needed for managing the existing products and for establishing new ones. Price. It stands for the amount of money that the customers have to pay to obtain the products. The price of the products is affected by its demand, quality, reliability, safety, competition it faces, and the desired profit, and so on and so forth. Place. It stands for activities that make the products available to the customers. One of the most important marketing decisions is to choose the most appropriate marketing channel. Marketing channels are able to distribute the products within the reasonable time to consumers at a very low cost. Promotions. Promotion refers to any type of marketing communication used to inform or persuade target audience of the relative merits of a product, service, brand, or issue. It helps marketers to create a distinctive place in the customer's mind. The aim of promotion is to increase awareness, create interest, generate sales, or create brand loyalty. So that was all about finance and marketing functional plans. Thank you very much for listening.